My dear child, stop whatever you are doing right now. This is not some accident or a random click. Listen close. This is a divine appointment scheduled in heaven long before you were born, before your finger touched the screen, before your eyes saw this title, before this video even existed in the physical world. I had already written your name beside this very moment in my eternal book. You are here because I brought you. You are listening because I called you, and I want you to understand something deeply important right now. Every step that brought you here, every single thought that crossed your mind, every restless feeling in your spirit that made you search for something more, all of it was me drawing you near. I have been seeking you always, calling you. Trust me. I have been waiting for this exact moment when your heart is finally ready to receive what I must tell you. I know you carry something so heavy. There is a weight on your shoulders you have never shared with anyone. I know the tears you have cried late at night when no one else was watching. I know the desperate prayers whispered in the dark, wondering if I was even listening. If what you hear touches something deep inside, you go ahead and press that like button as a quiet way of agreeing with what heaven is speaking over your life. But today I will remove every doubt from your soul, silencing every single the lie telling you that you are alone, that you are forgotten, that you are too far gone for my love to reach. Today I am speaking straight to your heart to tell you the absolute truth. I never left you. Hear me now, not for one fleeting moment, not for a single breath. When you thought you were walking alone, I was carrying you. When you felt like you were drowning, I held your head above water. And when you thought you reached the very end of your strength, I poured my own strength straight into you without you ever knowing. Every sunrise you witnessed was my promise that I remain here. Every breath was my quiet gift, reminding you that I am not finished writing your story. I saw you when that doctor gave you the diagnosis. I stood there as the results came back and your hands began shaking. I heard the cry escaping your lips while alone in that quiet room. I counted every tear that fell on your pillow that night when fear tried convincing you that this was the end. But I am the God who heals, the God who restores. I am the one who speaks life into dead situations. And today I declare over you what the enemy meant for evil, I am turning into your testimony. What was meant to break, you will become the foundation of your breakthrough. What was planned to end your story will become the start of your most beautiful chapter. I saw you when that phone call arrived, the one that changed everything. That news about your loved one. The words that shattered your world. I felt your heartbreak. When you hurt, I hurt. When you grieve, I grieve with you. I want you to know I specialize in broken hearts. I gather the pieces others call too damaged to fix. I mend them back together in ways stronger and far more beautiful than before. I saw you at that table, staring at those bills, trying to figure out how you would make it through another month. I heard you pray that desperate prayer asking me to make a path where there was no path. I watched you count your money over and over, hoping somehow the numbers would change. I want you to know I am the God of multiplication. I am the God who took 5 loaves and 2 fish to feed thousands. My hand clears paths in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. This heavy financial pressure you feel is no surprise to me. I have already prepared the solution. Your provision has already been assigned. I have already opened doors that no one can shut. In this season, you will see my power move in your finances in ways that leave you in awe. What has been delayed is not denied. What was held back is about to break free with speed. Amen. Our work continues because people choose to help carry these words further. If you ever feel led to support this work, there is a link in the description below. You will no pressure and no obligation, just an open door for anyone who truly feels called to partner in this mission. I watched when that person walked away. I saw. They promised to stay, but chose to walk out. They said they loved you, but their actions proved otherwise. I was right there when betrayal cut deep into your very soul. I heard you ask why, felt your total confusion and your pain. But I want you to understand. I clear people from your life not to punish you, but to protect you. Sometimes I close doors because I am saving you from a road that would have destroyed you. I promise you this. Everyone who walked away created space for the right people to step in. Every connection that ended made room for the bonds I have been preparing for you. You are not alone. You are never abandoned. I am bringing people into your life who see your worth, who will honor your heart, and who will walk with you in the purpose I called you to. I know you have been feeling exhausted, not just physically worn out, but tired, deep in your soul, tired of fighting, tired of trying, tired of hoping. You have been strong for so long that you forgot what it feels like to rest. You carried so many heavy burdens for other people, completely neglecting your own heart. And today I invite you to set it all down. Every heavy weight, every worry, every single what if. I am the Lord who brings rest to the weary. I am the Lord who renews your strength. I am the Lord who says, "Come to me, all who carry heavy burdens, and I will give you rest." You do not have to be strong anymore. You do not have to have all the answers. Just rest. You do not have to pretend that everything is fine. In my presence, you can finally be real. You can be vulnerable. You can be exactly who you are, and I will love you the same. Trust in me. I saw you when loneliness became your constant companion, when the house felt too quiet, when the phone stopped ringing, when it seemed like everyone else had moved on with life and forgotten you. I heard you cry out to me in your loneliness, and I want you to know I am closer to you than anyone has ever been. I know every single thought before you think it. I know every need before you voice it. I know every desire of your heart before you even form the words. You are never alone. My presence is with you always, and in this season I will not only remind you of my presence, but I will also bring new divine connections into your life. People who will feel like family friendships that will bring joy back into your days. Connections that will remind you that you are loved, you are valued, and you are deeply appreciated. If you're enjoying, before we go on, subscribe to this channel if you want to keep walking in faith on this journey. Take a moment to think of someone who is carrying the same heavy weight you have been carrying, the same quiet struggle. They are afraid. They exhaustion, the same quiet battle. Passing this on to them today might give them the hope they have been searching for. Because I am preparing to do something in your life that you never saw coming. Just listen. I am about to move in ways that will shock you. I will open doors that you stopped praying for because you believed they were closed forever. Trust me. I will completely heal what you thought was beyond repair. I am going to restore what you thought was shattered for good. I am bringing back to life what you thought was dead and gone. This is not just another message. This is a prophetic word. This is a decree from heaven. This is the moment when things begin to shift in your favor. But I need you to do one thing. I need you to step out in faith. Faith is more than just believing in your heart. True faith requires action. It requires you to take a step even when you cannot see the entire path. And today, what I ask of you is simple but incredibly powerful. Now, let me tell you what is happening in the spiritual world right now as you are watching this. There are angels who have been sent to your home. They are surrounding you even as you listen to my voice. Some of them are warrior angels, pushing back every single demonic force that was assigned to your life. Every spirit of depression, every spirit of anxiety, every spirit of fear, and every spirit of lack, every sickness plaguing you, they are ordered to depart right now. Other angels carry scrolls. Look, these are heaven's own scribes, and they write down every word you speak in pure faith. They note down every declaration you make, writing down each act of obedience. Everything. And all of it rises up before my throne like a sweet aroma, a truly pleasing sacrifice as evidence of your deep faith. There are also angels who are sent ahead of you, going straight to your workplace. They are entering your doctor's clinic. They are visiting your bank. They are heading to every place where decisions will be made about your life. And they are changing hearts, opening minds, and creating favor for you. People who never noticed you will suddenly take notice. Look, doors that were always closed will suddenly open. Opportunities that seemed impossible will suddenly become available. Receive. This is not wishful thinking. This is not simple motivation. This is actual spiritual reality. This is how my kingdom operates. When you align yourself with my word, when you agree with what I am speaking to, when you step out in faith, you activate the angelic forces to work on your behalf. Every word shared through this channel has the power to reach someone who needed some hope at just the right moment. If this space has become a home or your faith is restored and you feel called to support this work, then listen closely. The link is right below. Your giving helps us keep building and sharing these messages with many more souls. But there is something else I need you to hear. The enemy has his eyes on you. He has seen your loyalty. He noticed your quiet prayers. He watched your worship, and he is absolutely terrified. He knows that when I begin moving in a life like I am about to move in yours, absolutely nothing can stop me. But he will surely try. He will try to distract you, and he will try to drag you down. He is going to try to make you doubt in the coming days. Expect some sudden heavy resistance. The road may look darker before things get better. You might feel a brief setback. Do not panic. Do not lose heart. This is not a sign my promise has failed. It is proof that my word is working. The enemy only fights what he knows is about to bring a breakthrough. He only attacks what he knows is destined to bring victory. So when the storm hits you, smile. It means he sees what I am about to unleash in your, and he is panicking. Stand tall. Hold your ground. Never give up. Keep believing. Because right on the other side of this heavy pressure is the miracle you have been crying out for. Just past this hard test is the testimony that will change everything. On the other side of this battle is victory, and it ushers you straight into your destiny. Let me tell you about something incredibly specific. A blessing is waited, locked away in a spiritual warehouse with your name on it. It is sat for years. For some of you, for decades. It holds everything you have been begging for. Financial provision, yes. Physical healing restored, relationships open doors, divine connections, and supernatural favor. It is all there, packaged, sealed, and labeled with your name. But you need to understand this. That blessing was delayed not because I refused to give it to you. It was delayed because you were not ready to steward it. If I had handed it to you earlier, you would have mismanaged it. You would have wasted it. You would have taken the credit yourself instead of giving me the glory. So I held it back not to deny you, but to prepare you to hold what I was sending your way. Today I declare your time of preparation is complete. This season of delay is over. The warehouse doors are swinging open. That blessing marked with your name is being loaded onto the truck, and it is heading your way right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. The work has already begun. The wheels are already turning. The shipment is on its way, and when it lands, it won't come alone. I don't just restore what was lost, I return it double. I don't just heal the broken pieces, I make them stronger than ever before. I don't just open a single door. I open many doors all at once because I am not a God of just enough. I am the God of more than enough. I am the God of overflow. I am the God of blessing. Get ready. Believe. Prepare your heart. Clear your mind. Ready your life now because you're about to step into a season that demands a much bigger capacity from you. You're going to receive more than you expected. You are going to feel more than you ever imagined. You are about to witness more than you dreamed possible. Let me stop right here. If these words have truly built you up and you feel called to support our ministry to keep going, the link is in the description below. Anything you share with us helps keep this message alive for those who need hope during their absolute darkest days. No pressure at all. Only give if this is on your heart. Now let me speak to those who are living with physical pain, those of fighting constant sickness, those dealing with the heavy weight of chronic conditions. Those of you who you might have heard from doctors that there is no cure, no solution, and no hope. But hear this. I am the God who heals. I am never limited by medical science. I am not bound by what doctors say is even possible. Natural laws do not restrict me. Laws. I am the God who created your body. I know every single cell. I know every organ and every system, and what I created I can easily heal. What I formed I can fully restore. What I designed I can repair. Right at this very moment as you listen to my voice, healing power is flowing straight into your body. Some of you will feel deep warmth. Others are going to feel a tingling. You might feel a gentle vibration. Feel it. Some of you will feel a physical shift in your body. Do not be afraid. That is my healing power moving through you. Right now, my presence is touching the exact areas needing restoration. Now I want you to do something. Place your hand on the part of your body that needs healing. If it is your heart, place your hand over your chest. If it is your knees, place your hand there. Or if it's your head, lay your hand on your head. And as you do that, say this out loud. Jesus, I receive your healing power right now. I believe you are touching my body. I believe you are restoring my health. I declare that I am healed in Jesus' name. Healing is happening right now. Cells are regenerating. Believe it. Organs are being restored. Systems are being realigned. Pain is leaving. Sickness is departing. Disease is fleeing because my word never returns void. When I speak healing, it manifests. When I declare restoration, restoration happens. When I command wholeness, wholeness comes. And in the coming days, you will see proof. The next time you see your doctor, the tests will show real improvement. Next time you wake up, your pain will lessen. The next time you move, that stiffness will ease up. Step by step, day by day, you will experience the steady unfolding healing I have poured into your body today. Now let me speak to those of you carrying heavy guilt. To those of you who are weighed down by past mistakes. Those of you lying awake at night, endlessly replaying decisions you wish you could change. Those of you who feel like you have shut yourselves out from my blessings because of what you have done. I want to settle this right now. There is no sin too big for my grace. No mistake is too massive for my mercy. No past is too dark for my light. When I forgave you completely, I did not just forgive you halfway. I forgave you fully. When I washed you clean, I left no stains behind. Made you white as snow. The enemy wants you trapped in guilt because guilt keeps you completely paralyzed. It keeps you from moving forward. It stops you from receiving what I long to give you. But today I am breaking those chains of guilt. I am removing this heavy weight, condemnation. I declare over you right now you are completely forgiven. You are made clean. You are righteous. You are justified. You are accepted. Stop punishing yourself for what I have already forgiven. Stop rejecting yourself for what I have already accepted. Stop counting yourself out of what I have already qualified you for. You are not your past, nor are you your mistakes. Your failures do not define you. You are my own child, my beloved child. You are my chosen one. Every video I release here is a divine appointment. Every message I speak here is a prophetic word. Each declaration carries the absolute authority of heaven. So stay closely connected with me. Stay engaged. Keep watching. Keep listening. Keep believing. Your breakthrough is already right here. Your healing is not on the way, it has already arrived. Your deliverance is not just in the future, it is happening right now. The moment you accepted this divine message, the moment you clicked this video, the moment you opened your heart to receive, everything shifted. I love you with an everlasting love. I have plans for you, plans to prosper you, plans for hope and a bright future. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. Hear this. You are not abandoned. You are seen. You are known. You are cherished. Today marks the very beginning of the greatest season of your life. Receive, live it, believe it, walk in it. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. If this message spoke to the season you are walking through right now, write "I receive my breakthrough" in the comments to declare your faith today. Let this be the exact moment you choose to start believing again, and subscribe if you want to keep walking with us through messages of healing, restoration, and the Lord's perfect timing.